Indonesia's logistics and industrial sectors are growing rapidly, demanding for racking systems that are faster to deploy, scalable, and built to last. To meet this challenge head-on, Kawan Lama Solution expanded its capabilities by localizing racking production with a facility designed for speed, quality, and scale. Located in Kendal, Central Java, our 10,000 square meter production hub at Building A1 is equipped with global-grade systems and world-class machinery. From precision roll forming and laser cutting to high-strength MIG welding and premium powder coating, every rack is manufactured using advanced machinery and controlled processes to deliver consistent structural integrity and finish. With full control of production, from raw material to final coating, we offer faster lead times, consistent quality, and custom-fit racking systems to meet diverse storage needs. Certified to SNI, ISO 9001 and 14001 standards, our facility is engineered for reliability and scalable to support growing SKUs, volumes, and project sizes across Indonesia. With local production and nationwide delivery, your racking solution is now closer than ever, backed by the Kawan Lama Solution network you can trust. Kawan Lama Solution. Local, reliable, scalable. Ready to move your business forward.